Your voice is becoming the most sought after asset in the tech world. Companies are hungry for high quality audio. They need it to train their latest systems. This is where a platform like Numo Labs enters the frame. They are essentially a marketplace for your vocal cords. You record your speech. They use it to teach machines how humans actually sound. It is a simple concept. However, the execution here has a twist. I have not seen this before. Most of these data collection sites are notorious for being stingy. You might spend an hour recording phrases. Then a reviewer tells you the background noise was too high. You get nothing for your effort. This platform is doing things differently. They offer a 15% upfront payment for every contribution you make. Think about that for a moment. Even if the quality team rejects your recording, you still keep that initial cut. It hits your digital wallet immediately. This suggests a level of transparency that is rare in this field. It shows they are not just looking for reasons to withhold your earnings. The focus is very specific right now. They need speakers of Tamil and Telugu. They also need Hindi and Bengali speakers. If you are fluent in those languages, you are at the front of the line. The platform is open to everyone globally. But these are the priority zones for the moment. More languages are expected to drop soon. The process is straightforward. You sign up on their web dashboard. You do not need to wait for a special invite. You just register and verify your account. They use an email verification system with a one-time password. This keeps things secure. Once you are in, you see a list of tasks. You just need a decent microphone and a quiet room. They want you to be authentic. They do not want robot voices. They do not want polished studio performances. They want real human speech patterns. If you try to cheat the system with AI-generated audio, they will catch it. You will be banned instantly. It is about human data for human-like machines. There is a leaderboard too. You can see other people racking up contributions. It adds a competitive edge to the whole experience. There are some things to keep in mind. This is a very new operation. I checked the major app stores. I could not find a dedicated mobile application yet. You have to do everything through your browser. That is a bit of a hurdle for some. But it works fine on a mobile web page. We are still waiting for a mountain of payment proof to surface. The withdrawal threshold is set at $25. That is a fair target to hit if you are consistent. You are not going to get rich doing this. But it is a legit way to monetize a skill you use every single day. You are just talking. I'm keeping a close eye on the payouts. If they start adding more languages, the user base is going to explode. It is an interesting experiment in the gig economy. You are essentially a freelance teacher for an algorithm. No one likes working for free. That 15% guarantee is a bold move. It proves they are serious. I will be watching to see if they maintain that policy. It sets a high bar for other platforms. Keep your eyes on this one as it evolves beyond its current borders. It is a fascinating way to see how the world of artificial intelligence is creating new, small-scale opportunities for people everywhere. Stick around as we see if they follow through on these big promises.